Hi, friends. Nicole Vincent here. I am so happy you're here joining me. Today, I want to be talking about the top three influencer extensions that I have used and enjoy. And I want to kind of rank them with you because that I get that question a lot, like what extensions are good for what? What do I actually need? What's worth investing? And that's what I'm going to talk about today. So, I don't have any fancy PowerPoint. I'm just going to be sharing my experience. So, take notes, listen. We all kind of run our influencer business different ways. So, you're going to need to find what works for you. I'm going to share my experience with each of these briefly, and you can find deeper dives on each of these extensions within my channel. So, if you want a little bit more information, definitely check out other videos that I've done. But let's start off with viral view. I feel like this is probably the biggest one, the biggest investment, and the one that actually has the most bells and whistles. This sucker it's data heavy. It really has so many features. So all three of these extensions will cross-check your content, whether your content with creator connections. All of them have creator connections research tools for finding good options. They all look a little different though. So different, different ways to search and stuff, but they all have searchability for creator connections. They all have various product research features as well. So with viral view, this one it's got so many things. It can be super overwhelming. Like there really is a lot that it can do. And it has, I think kind of its flagship is its messaging feature for creator connections, where you can do massive message outreach to different sellers through creator connections. That I haven't personally used that feature, but just watching and learning the tool, like it's kind of big. If you're not a huge, like I'm not, if you're not trying to message a ton of sellers in like massive amounts, then that feature might not be a huge benefit for you. But that kind of is, I think, one of the features that really sets Viral View apart is its ability to message a ton super fast. Another feature about Viral View that is different and unique than the other platforms, it does have a TikTok cross check. It is in beta, and I did a video about that. So if you are one that is looking to monetize and do TikTok Shop and Amazon, that might be a feature that you want to check out. Viral View also has a thriving Facebook community with a lot of support and a lot of videos and tutorials on the Viral View YouTube channel that can be super helpful. Now, it is the highest investment of the three extensions that I'm talking about today. So you want to keep that in mind, but it does have some tiered options. And the messaging option, you have to purchase extra messaging credits in addition to your subscription if that's something that you're going to use. One thing that I don't love about Viral View is because it is doing so many things, it really slows my computer down. I cannot run any other extensions. I have to, and I have a fast brand new computer, and if Viral View it's slower. It takes time to load because it is going through so many data points. It is good for product research. It's great for identifying opportunities as you are searching through Amazon. And it does do a lot of cross check on your storefront videos on what might not be performing well and what missed opportunities you have. So it has a lot of bells and whistles, but there are costs to those bells and whistles, literally in money and in the speed that it's able to do. So let's talk about that's Viral View. Now, Fluencer Fruit is primarily a product research extension. And that's personally what I use it for and what I love it for. It does have a lot of product research tools in the creator connections back end where you can really hone down and find what you're looking for and find opportunities. And Fluencer Fruit has great tools for that. I personally use Fluencer Fruit when I'm searching through Amazon, when I'm looking through the best sellers, when I'm looking through the top 100 products, when I am pulling up items that have sold that I don't have content for. I am looking at Fluencer Fruit and using it. It gives me scores, it gives me total number of influencers, and it gives me, how much is being made on that item. And it does it really quick. And so Viral View does give you similar information. It just is a lot slower. And for me, Fluencer Fruit is easier to, not only does it load faster when I'm searching, it also is just easier for me to see the information just because of the contrast. It's got a yellow box around it and it makes it very, very easy to see and get the information quickly. Both Viral View and Fluencer Fruit both show total influencer videos. So not just what is on the carousel, but it's also going to show you how many are in the back end in line waiting to get a place in that carousel. So if you are searching for a product and it's maybe something that you already have at home and you're like, okay, I've got this Stanley Cup. Let me look up Stanley Cup and see how many total influencer videos have done videos for the Stanley Cup that I've got. It's 300. Well, then maybe don't, plan your next spending spree on that video doing well because there's 300 videos in line. Now, so Fluencer Fruit and Viral View both will show you that number. Fluencer Fruit also has great support. Their community is off, their primary community is off Facebook. And so if you're not a Facebook person, this can be really beneficial. It's in the Circles app that is, you can do it on your computer or on an app on your phone. Great support. Liz, the founder, is so nice and so helpful. She has weekly office hours where you can hop on and ask questions and is just really great. It's also a part of the Wayward community, which Wayward is very focused on offsite sales. And so Fluencer Fruit is kind of their on-site sales type partner there. And so you get both the Wayward benefits and Fluencer Fruit when you do Fluencer Fruit. So if that's something that you're building, I actually don't use Wayward. I just use Fluencer Fruit for product research and it has been so phenomenal. And I will say I have definitely made my money back. I did the annual membership. You definitely want to use a link for any of these extensions. If you choose to do them, definitely use someone's link. I have links and referral codes down on the bottom. Fluencer Fruit is one you don't need a referral code. You just need the link to get the cheaper pricing. But on Fluencer Fruit, within, I would say, a month or two, I made back what I spent for the annual plan just by doing smart product research, finding an opportunity, making a video, and it paid off in spades so fast. It saves so much time because there is a lot of product research that you can do on your own. And I demonstrate that. I have a video on my channel showing how you can do product research without an extension, but it makes it so much faster. So I am not wasting time researching. I can really look very fast, very quickly with Fluencer Fruit and find it out. So personally, Fluencer Fruit is my personal favorite research extension. It loads quick. I can actually run that and Oink at the same time and no issues. So let's talk about Oink. I will say Oink is probably my number one extension for the money that it's brought into my pocket. It also has it's a lot more economical in its cost. Now, that cost might not stay this low. It's a newer extension. It's only been out for maybe 6 months now. That annual price might be going up. But even if it does go up, like, it's still the most economical price point for what you're going to get and the return you're going to get. So if I had to tell somebody if they can only afford one, I would say get Oink. It's going to give you the most bang for your buck, the most return on what you put in, because it just is, the way that it's set up is really to leverage creator connections and what you're selling, what you have on your storefront and what you are selling as far as similar items. And so check out my how I use Oink daily video. It is my most watched video, and that one report alone, like, if that was the only tool Oink had, it would be worth it because it's a pro feature, so you definitely need to pay for it. But it is so worth it. It's doubled my income. So my Creator Connections income is typically double what I make on site daily. It's phenomenal. It's amazing. And just that one report alone, and Oink continues to grow. He has now introduced product research back in the Creator Connections realm, as well as on product research pages. Oink also has messaging templates and features, tools for messaging sellers within Creator Connections. And he's just launched a new tool that you can message directly from a product page. You have to set up the stuff in the back office. So you got to like set up your template with Oink and things. And he's got some great videos on his YouTube channel for support. Really, if you are brand new to the program, I would say get Oink. And I would say invest in the annual plan. Now, if you work it out, I think the monthly thing is $30 a month, or it's 179 if you have a code, which I have below. Just enter Nicole V, a V like Vincent, and that will get you 10% off. It's 179 a month or a year. And you will, if you are growing your business, you will make that back within a few months max. Like it's so phenomenal. If you run it, if you use the tools, it will pay for itself so quickly. I've tried out Viral View. It really is, it's a fabulous extension. It bogs down my computer and I don't have the patience for it. I am not using the messaging feature because I'm not reaching out to a bunch of sellers, because I have so many sellers that reach out to me. So I don't really need that feature. And for Fluencer Fruit is just, to me, its product research is just, it's phenomenal. It's quick, it's easy, and it partners so well with Oink. And they just, to me, that's the magic combo, is Oink plus Fluencer Fruit. And those two working together has just made my influencer business skyrocket. I went from making about 2 to 3 thousand a month to 5 to 6 thousand a month really fast. And it's been phenomenal. And it just is continuing to grow. With any of these tools, guys, they're not magic. They're not going to automatically make you money. You need to take the time and learn how to use these tools, use these extensions. So watching tutorial videos that I make, that the creator makes, that they offer, learn how to use the tools. Now, the Oink community is great. We have a great group on Facebook with lots of support. And Rob has a great channel. Just look up Oink for Influencers here on YouTube. And he's got some great tutorials as well. I'm so grateful for these extensions that people that are smarter than me have figured out to make us as influencers be able to save time, effort, and work smarter and not harder, so that we can do what we do best, is create, right? Create content and create that momentum, because these are great, but they're still admin, right? Most of us are doing our own business. Most of us are doing all the admin stuff. And these extensions really make that admin side a lot faster and smoother and easier to manage. So my my boiled down thing, if you're going to get one, get Oink. Next, I would say add Fluencer Fruit for product research, and then, or Viral View. Now, I will just say, so Fluencer Fruit will give you a free 2-week trial to the full feature. So if you sign up, you do have to give your card, but they don't charge you for 2 weeks. And so you can totally play around with the full features of Fluencer Fruit for 2 weeks before you're charged. You just cancel before that 2 weeks is up. On Viral View, they have a free version, and then they have a tiered version for, I think, if you have 100 videos or less. They have a midpoint, which I think is around $30. And don't quote me on that, I'm not 100% sure. And then they have the pro version, which is about $80 a month. Definitely use a coupon code, and I think you get a discount if you do an annual plan. And then Oink, it has a free version, but it's pretty minimal. It does have some good features, but it is minimal. The Oink has a monthly fee of $30, or you can do an annual plan for $199. You can get 10% off of either of those with my coupon code. Same thing on Viral View. You'll get 10% off with my code below. And on Fluencer Fruit, you get, I think it works out to be 20%, but I'm not a math person. But you get like the friends and family, the cheapest price. It's $100 off of their published price if you use my link. I recommend playing around. You might like the layout of one over another. You might like the community of one over the other. I think that they're going to meet your needs, but you got to find what works for you. I really highly suggest and recommend investing in yourself, investing in good tools, because this is your business. If you want it to be successful, you need to be using tools that are actually going to be beneficial and going to pay off, are going to put money in your pocket and time on your side. So there's my 2, 3, 4 cents about these extensions. They're all phenomenal and all really have so much to offer. I just recommend playing around with them, seeing what you like, and seeing what fits well for how your brain works, how you are operating your business, and your goals in this Amazon influencer journey. So hope this is helpful. We will see you on the next video.